Looking for a new weapon against the aggressive Delta variant that's been rapidly undoing months of progress against COVID, the federal government is expected to unveil a plan today for an extra booster shot for all vaccinated Americans.
Part of our operational focus was ensuring we had enough supply to provide booster shots should that be a decision made by the FDA. So that has been in our planning processes for months now.
The White House has not yet tipped its hand on many details, but NIH Director Dr. Francis Collins did say a study out of Israel is unnerving. It found for those 65 or older who received their second shot in January, the vaccine is now only 55% effective against severe disease.
That's the same thing we're starting to see in the U.S. data, although right now it still looks as if our vaccine protection is working really well. But we don't want to wait until it's like, oh, too late.
Health officials say a third shot would add an extra layer of protection and would come at least 8 months after your second dose.
Does it seem likely that there was some data at play here that probably triggered alarm bells for the federal government?
The CDC has been collecting data, and they must see a signal amongst all the noise that is cause for them to want to take what I think of as preventive action. We really can prevent hospitalizations and death.
As you may have heard by now, I have tested positive for COVID-19.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott, who's banned mask and vaccine mandates in his state, testing positive for the virus after attending this packed indoor event with few visible masks. The governor says he's fully vaccinated, and two sources say Abbott even told people he'd received a third shot. Elsewhere, a very different approach. Leaders in New Mexico and Chicago announcing an indoor mask mandate for everyone 2 and up, regardless of vaccination status. And if you want to fly, keep a face covering handy. The TSA extending its mask rule through January 18th of 2022.
As for timing on the booster shot and folks who might be getting nervous and try to get it early, the NIH director says it's important to give your immune system enough time to realize your full antibody potential. Otherwise, guys, the booster shot might not be as effective.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.